their violation not just of every rule in international trade, which has been established for the Western countries since the creation of the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade in 1947, but in addition, it's a violation of any sensible trade policy. The main effects of these policies now are creating wild uncertainty, and that will affect, of course, people's investment plans and the deals that they are willing to make. The combination will tend to make businesses in America, importers in America, people in America import less. Presumably, they will look for domestic alternatives. In some cases, there will be domestic alternatives, and in many cases, America doesn't have the capacity to produce them because it's long since shifted to imports. Many Chinese products coming from China or from Vietnam or, for that matter, Mexico, Americans have no capacity to make. So in those cases, at least in the short term, in the medium term, perhaps in the longer term, the effect will simply be that the Americans will pay more. See no reason whatsoever to suppose this will net increase jobs. There might be a net increase in industrial jobs, although even that's uncertain, at the expense of jobs in other sectors, for instance, service sector. And in any case, the impact on jobs of all this will be pretty small in the context of the overall labor market. It's a completely hopeless venture. And none of this will work without fundamental changes in macroeconomic policy, which they're not really contemplating.